Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate text on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in "Who Says." Love the song. You're also going to change the font, well, if you want to, and you can also add in some effects again if you'd like to. I'm just going to add a background so it's not as plain. I'm just going to add in this yellow background, and you can't see the text, so we're going to add in an effect to that. You don't have to, but I like to add in an effect sorry, something like this one or this one. Also, if it's loud, I'm sorry, that's my neighbor. I can't really do anything about it. Maybe like this, and then you're just going to select animation, and here's where you can animate your text. You can add in a fade in as well as a fade out effect to it, and here you can adjust the duration of both of the effects. You can also add in a loop effect, which I like to add. I like to add this wave one and adjust the speed a little bit. So to the right, it makes it slower. And then you can also add in an animation from the videos section, but you have to right click first on the text, create compound clip, and then select animation, and here it will give you a totally different animation. Here you can also adjust the duration. I think this is a little bit too long, so I might just adjust it a little bit. And then here you can see it works better than the first one. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!